Hi all, this is a really quick short tutorial on how to find your reading for the rest of the class for the semester. I have 3 classes that are all using Cove, so this may not be specific to your class, but the instructions will work nevertheless. Remember from class last time that what you're going to need to do is go to Cove Studio and click there and log in. If you don't log in to Cove Studio, I'm not going to be able to add you as a user in order for you to read the readings that I've assigned. So if you haven't done that right now, I want you to hit pause, go to Cove Studio, log in, because I'm simply not going to be able to add you. You're never going to be able to see the readings unless you do that. Once you do that, I'm going to be able to go into the interface and add you. And then you will be able to go to your class, whether it's English 231, English 334, or English 330. Once you've logged in, I will add you to the class, and then you will see your anthologies here on the right, just like I do. And you can click on them. I'm going to click on English 231 here. And then you will see this page that I'm showing you here. And there might be a different picture, but underneath documents down here, you will see a link to the materials that are assigned for your class. So it's really easy, but what you have to do, and if you haven't done it already, is go and log in to Cove Studio. I'm going to say this one more time. You must log into Cove Studio. You should do it today. You should do it right now. And once you've done that, I will be able to add you to your course anthologies, which you will find here on the right hand side of your page once you log in, and then you'll be able to click on them and read them. Now I'm going to add one more little bit of information. As I'm building up our Cove website, you will also see that I'm adding links to the individual readings underneath your course descriptions. So here, if you're in English 334, you'll find a link to Vindication of Rights of Men. And if you have registered for Cove Studio, you will be able to get into it. But again, you have to just go to Cove Studio and log in. And then I can add you to the course and all will be great.